So this video is the second video that will be recording for the project work, and the project members are myself, Zainab Olivia Kora, and Ajlal, and I'm recording the work on their behalf as well, since Zainab is out of town and Ajlal for some reason is not able to do the recording on his laptop. So the first I'll show you what Ajlal has done. So this is basically the program that Ajlal has made, and so our project is basically about Spy Pigeon, and now I'll run this window. So this is basically what Ajlal has done. So you can see that basically we're trying to make a spy, which is obviously a pigeon, and since we need to move the pigeon and it has to be realistic, so what we are doing is we're trying to make the pigeon flap over here, and in doing so what we're doing is basically we're using spacebar in order to move the frames over here. And this is up till now without any proper editing, and this is basically just the whole idea what we will be doing. This is just to show you what we will be doing, right? So this is basically how the pigeon is going to move throughout the game. You press the space bar. As if you do not press the space bar, the pigeon would continue to come down, and if you do so, then the pigeon would flap its wings and it would move upwards. So this is basically the whole idea that Ajlal has been working on, and so basically this is it. Now closing this window. So this is basically the code that Ajlal has been doing. This is the main CPP file, and this is the pigeons CPP file. This is the pigeons CPP file over here that we have. So, and this is the sprite basically which is Ajlal is using and all that stuff. Then we have the unit CPP file as well, which is basically the main file, main class from which the pigeon and all that stuff is inheriting. Now I'll move to what I've been doing for the project. So me and Ajdal are now working on separate objects. So I've been working on the other objects that we will be using in our project. So this is my project, my work over here, and similarly I have also made some classes in order to for the project to work. And now there's a bullet object, then there's eagle, and then there's enemy and all that stuff. Now up till now we haven't integrated our work together, but we will do that soon. So I'm going to run my project now, and yeah, it's heavy and it will take time. So yeah. Up till then, I will. So yeah, it's working. So this is basically what I've been doing up till now. So these are the trees that I'm generating. The distance between them is being generated randomly, and then there's an eagle which is flapping. Up till now, there's a bit work to do on the frames over here so that the eagle could be more, not just blinking as it is right now. And the plane jet over here, this would be another object that would be an enemy. Similarly, the tanks at the bottom are also enemies, and this tank over here is something that I haven't removed it up till now. But the idea is that this could basically be substituting will be substituted by the pigeon. So this is complete what I've been doing. So the plane's speed can be changed, and similarly the tanks this can also be changed. Up till now we haven't worked particularly on the bullets. We will be working on them the next week. So this is what I have done. And Zainab has been working on the buttons, but due to the fact that she's out of town, we haven't been able to get what she has done. But she's been working on the screens and buttons. Up till now she has worked on the main menu, and she's also worked on the screens and buttons, and the exit screen and the main menu screen. And she was also would be working on the game saving mechanism and loading mechanism. So this is it. And for the w linked list that Ajlal has created, I'll show you what he has created. So this is what Ajlal has made. So this is basically the project, the what the code Ajlal has done. So this is basically the code, and that's it from for this week's progress video that I've made. We have actually worked on, and that's it. Thank you.